Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of child safety with the best Perego convertible car seat available. The Perego Primo Viaggio infant convertible car seat and convertible climate cover is a game-changer for parents looking for top-notch safety and comfort for their little ones on the road. Let's explore why this product stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk safety. This convertible car seat is designed with your child's well-being in mind. It features side impact protection to shield your little one's head, neck, and spine, ensuring maximum safety in the event of a collision. But safety doesn't stop there. The Primo Viaggio convertible car seat also boasts energy-absorbing foam throughout the seat, protecting your child's head and torso from impact forces. Plus, its contoured steel back plate minimizes flexing and reduces forward movement, providing an extra layer of security. Now, let's shift our focus to comfort. This car seat is not only safe but also incredibly comfortable for your little passenger. Made with tensile material, the convertible climate cover keeps your baby cool in summer and warm in winter, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter the season. And cleaning? It's a breeze. The climate cover is easy to clean, so you can keep your car seat looking and feeling fresh for every journey. Convenience is key for busy parents, and the Primo Viaggio convertible car seat delivers. Its reversible design allows for rear-facing use for infants weighing 5 to 45 pounds and forward-facing for children weighing 22 to 65 pounds. Plus, adjustable latch connectors make installation a breeze, whether you're rear-facing or forward-facing. And let's not forget about style. This car seat comes in a sleek black color that complements any vehicle interior, adding a touch of sophistication to your ride. Now, you might be wondering about the price. At $449.98, this convertible car seat is an investment in your child's safety and comfort. And with a bundle discount, you can save even more while getting everything you need for your little one's travels. So, there you have it, folks. The Perego Primo Viaggio infant convertible car seat and convertible climate cover is the best choice for parents who refuse to compromise on safety, comfort, and style. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy parenting.